Good morning, students, class 10th. Now, today we have the topic industrial pollution in manufacturing industries. There are four types of pollutions over there: air pollution, water pollution, thermal and land pollution, and noise pollution. So, one by one, we are going to discuss about it. First of all, air pollution. Air pollution is caused by heavy proportion of undesirable gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Air becomes particulate materials contain both solid and liquid particles. Smoke is emitted by chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, refineries and smelting plants, and burning of fossil fuels and get polluted. Toxic gases leaked can be hazardous if the gases which have the toxic characteristics, poisonous characteristics, if those gases are leaked, they are hazardous and dangerous for the human life. Air pollution adversely affect human health. Animal, plants, buildings, and the atmosphere as a whole. Thereafter, water pollution. Water pollution caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluent discharge into river. Industries of paper, pulp, chemical, textile, and dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries, and electroplating, etc., cause water pollution. Fly ash, phosphogypsum, um, iron and steel slag are the major solid waste in India. Thermal and land pollution. When hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into river and ponds before cooling, it is called thermal pollution, affecting aquatic life. Wastes from nuclear plants and weapon production cause cancers, birth defect, and miscarriage. Dumping of wastes, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging, salts, and garbage render the soil useless. Rainwater percolates pollution to the subsoil, and groundwater also gets contaminated. After that, noise pollution. Noise pollution can cause irritation, anger, and hearing impairment. Can also increase heart rate and blood pressure. Unwanted sound can be irritant and cause stress. Industrial and construction activities, machinery, factory equipments, generators, saw, and pneumatic and electric drills also make a lot of noise pollution. Thereafter, control of environmental degradation. For that, first of all, we are going to discuss about the um air pollution. Air pollution, which means fitting smoke stack to factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and inertial separators Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. Thereafter, water pollution can be reduced by minimizing use of water for processing by reusing and recycling. Rainwater harvesting is also used to control water pollution. Treatment of industrial effluent is also applied for that purpose. Primary treatment by mechanical means by screening, grinding, flocculation, and sedimentation. These are the other ways with which we can control water pollution. Secondary treatment by biological process. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical, and physical process. Thereafter, pollution thermal pollution is being treated by hot water and industrial effluent before releasing them in river and ponds. Noise pollution. Machinery and equipment can be fitted with silencer. Machinery can be redesigned to reduce noise and increase efficiency. Noise absorbing material may be used. Workers in the industries can use earplugs and earphones. Like this, the chapter is over, and in next lecture, we will discuss about the lifeline of our national economy. Thank you.